What happened? We began with zeal, the message burning within. From that very moment, we said we are in. At that very instant, we took the oath, we will. What happened? What happened? That moment when you took the Bible, opened its pages and interpreted the message, standing with courage and breathing the verses, the blood flowing with the message, meditation we did on a daily basis. What happened? What happened? Prayer was our meal, like breakfast, lunch and supper. Some took more supplements and our knees were colored. Kneeling was our standard and greetings were, "Hi brethren." Praise God was our anthem. Bible studies, our bedtime stories. Music was soft and soul appealing. What happened? What happened? That spirit of togetherness, sending messages of encouragement. Let's wake up and pray, knowing your neighbors' whereabouts and visiting those in need, busing along to say hi and spreading flyers to invite us in meetings. What happened? What happened? That courage of standing and condemning sin, calling it by its name and preaching the people, warning of God's judgment, depressing faith and works, bringing saints together and eating in harmony, sharing of one another's burden and service to all. What happened? What happened? The fire has been growing cold and no one looking after it. Someone has been pulling the logs. An enemy has crept in and seen in our midst. Confusion he has brought in. The fire is waxing cold and the light is dimming. The few remaining have been overtaxed, and the one pulling out are soiling and putting off the fire. Insubordination has come in. Those zealous have grown tired. The world has consumed us. We are no more different. We are mixing religion and worldling, trying to appear cool at the same time spiritual. We are more religious, professing knowing the word but doing the contrary, preaching love while practicing hatred, proclaiming freedom but bound in chains, exercising faith in mere godliness. Like the 10 virgins, we have all slept. Our oil is running low. Soon our light will turn off and in darkness we will stumble and fall. Our music has been soiled. It has the faith part in it, but lacks the part of works. Christians, we need to awake. Wipe off the dust and cling on Christ, cause on our own we can't. We will be crushed by the enemy even before we make up our mind. Christian, let's awake.